So we're trying to make boot camp as easy for you as possible. All of the videos are located on a private website that only people with the information for boot camp can access. It's password protected, so it's just for you guys. And the videos are separated out into 4 different weeks. And so each week we give you a new password for a new week's worth of videos to watch. And so you can do it along with us. You can kind of do it as a group, because then in our Facebook group we're kind of talking about that week's content. But let's say that you're really busy that week, or that you have a sick kid, or that you go on vacation. Well, it's no big deal. You can make up the content later, because again, it's all online. So even if you join right now and you're not able to walk through the 4 weeks with us, maybe in April you'll have a slower time and you can go back and you can watch it all then. And then again, we're all still in the group hanging out, so you can still come back and discuss with us. So it takes place completely online. And again, the private Facebook group is all completely online. So you can access it anytime you want, whenever is convenient for you. And you can sit in your pajamas and watch the videos if you want. We really wanted to make it easy and accessible, and where it can fit around your schedule.